Hi guys, it's me, Leslie, and then my little sister,
Liana.
and so today we're gonna do some different slime reviews. So let's go get slimes. Here. Bug, ew.
Okay.
So we have different cool, whatever.
Yes,
We have cool different
stamps.
they're not stamps, but they're like molders that we're gonna mold different slimes with. So our slimes are right here. So I'm gonna grab one first. So I heard that I've been watching some videos out there that are slime and these stress balls. Yay! Okay, so now I got this design. So go ahead and hopefully this one. Hang on, I feel like you should get a bowl. Alright, so I have like a little teacup instead, so I'll just cut this open to make sure. Oh no! Technical difficulties. So, now I got it fixed, so now let's go ahead and pop it. So scared. Wait, I can't get it. I can't cut it wide. Whoa, okay, so. Wow, that's super cool. Slime. Wow. Looks like a pimple. Ew.
Ew, that would be disgusting.
Okay. Wow, it's like jiggly slime right there.
Can I touch it?
And let's get the net.
Yes.
Let's get the net real quick. I'm gonna reuse this stuff. So I'm gonna reuse it.
Jiggly. It's so jiggly.
Yeah, it's pretty jiggly. Careful. Leave it there. That's mine. Whoa. Okay. I can just easily super glue this back together. Super weird. Wow, it's cool. The glitter is stuck to it. It's glued.
Yeah.
But the rest is slime.
I like
So look. It's super jiggly though. Well, okay.
Put them in here. Put them in here. Put them in here.
Hang on.
Should.
It looks super weird. Whoa. It's super jiggly.
It's so cool.
Whoa.